Today, I will show you the installation process of our fast installation sunroom using a sample corner. This is the 120 series main beam. This is a hanging air decoration, 60 by 80 auxiliary beams. First, fix the decorative accessories. Screw on the screws. Install the upper auxiliary beam. Continue screwing. The other side is also the same. Tighten all the screws on top. Install ear lace. Hanging ears do not require cutting at any angle, convenient and fast, saving labor. Let's take a look at the positive effects. We support mailing samples.
Nice.